All right, super exciting stuff. So as a teacher, or I don't know, as an industry professional, you might have a whiteboard. And the whiteboard, sometimes you leave things on a long period of time. So this is the schedule for last year. It has been on here for a year. So it is hard to get off. Erasers, yeah, they don't do a very good job at all. Actually, probably make things worse sometimes when it's been on there for a long time. So then we have the whiteboard spray that's supposed to do a really good job cleaning it off. We will see how that works. Not super good. It'll work. It'll take a long time. What I found out recently that is so exciting is Super Clean does the job. Watch this. Look at that. That is awesome. So the reason I am so excited about this just saved me, Super Clean just saved me hours and hours worth of cleaning off whiteboards and then getting them back to good. So there's also a trick that teachers use. They take another marker and they color over all the lettering and then they wipe it off. And it works pretty decent, but not when it's been on there for a long time. And in the shop, things get pretty dirty. And so we kind of have like almost a caked on dirt in the shop. And Super Clean busts through it all. I'm super excited. As you can tell, I feel like I've gotten a whole new life on all my whiteboards, and I'm pretty excited. So use that. If it works for you, I'm going to recommend this to all my teacher friends. And Super Clean, once again, busts through that stuff and takes off the stuff, the junk. So thanks so much for watching. I appreciate